guys, so today I'm going to be opening this small little water fountain thing. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay. So it's this box. So yeah. Okay. Ooh. And instructions and the pieces. Something inside? It's like these straws. Let's see. Okay, so first, let's put these here. So first, we have, it looks like this, the place for the, like it's the fountain. So like, yeah. So the fountain. And now we have the pieces. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now these are the instructions. Oh my goodness. Okay. Start off with this page. So this is the instructions, and there's Y, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, V. And this is the Y one, so yeah. So if you want slow water, it can be this one, it can be this one, it can be this one, it can be this one. But I'm choosing the highest one and like the water that goes really fast, so it's this one. So we have to match these letters. So first we need Y, so we have Y right here. And then we need O. So let's look for O. Oh, okay, here's O. Okay, so it says O, so we need to get O. O is right here. So we find the one that matches it, and we take this one. And then we have to so now we put this one on. Now we need a V. So where's V? This one, okay? So this one is V, because it says V under it. So this is V. So we find the similar one. So we take this one, and then we put it on top. Wait, is this upside down? Okay. And we put it on top like that. Okay. So then, last but not least, we need R. So we find R. I think so. This is R. So we need the R. Where's the R? So this one is R. So we put it on top. And now it's a water fountain. And that's only what you need to do. And remember, this is a solar one. So you don't need any batteries, any electric things or anything. All you need is a sunlight to make it go. So yeah, let's go outside. Oh my gosh, Rumi! Hello, Rumi. Rumi. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's water in this bucket. So let's put it in here. Yeah, I'm so excited. Why is it not coming out? I think it needs more sunlight. Oh. wiggly, wiggly. Oh my gosh. There's so much water coming up. It's like a shower. You guys should definitely get this. It's so big. I'm literally showering my fingers. Let me cut the water. If you have a pond like mine, or if you have a garden too, you can put it in. I know it's not that big, but you can put it in somewhere, and then the birds will be happy, and it will be drinking the water, and they'll play, and they'll do everything. It's gonna be so fun. If you like my videos, my channel name is Clicks and Chicks, so make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye!